Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's quick video, you are going to learn exactly how to reset your Samsung air conditioner. So first of all, in order to reset it, you just have to turn the indoor unit off, and with the help of the circuit breaker, you will also basically switch it off. So when it is shut down completely, you just have to leave it powered off for at least 5 to 10 minutes, and this allows the control board to basically reset completely. Now you need to simply turn the circuit breaker back on, and after doing so you just have to simply allow it at least 30 to 60 seconds before turning the AC back on. So this is going to give the system enough time to basically initialize properly. After this time duration, you just have to simply use your Samsung remote, and over here you just have to press this type of power button in order to basically turn your AC on. So when it is turned on, you are going to see the option of selecting the cool mode. So you just have to simply select that and use these temperature buttons in order to basically lower down the temperature to your current room temperature to check if the unit is basically working normally. If it is working normally, it means that the reset was successful. So that's how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.